In example 6, the supply function lowercase p subscript s of x for a commodity gives the relationship between the selling price and the number of units that manufacturers will produce at that price. For a higher price, manufacturers will produce more units. So lowercase p subscript s is an increasing function of x. We're going to let capital X be the amount of the commodity currently produced, and let capital P equal lowercase p subscript s of x be the current price. Some producers will be willing to make and sell the commodity for a lower selling price and are therefore receiving more than their minimal price. The excess is called the producer surplus. An argument similar to that for the consumer surplus shows that the surplus is given by the following integral. So you have the lower limit of 0 to x, and the function is p, which is the current price, minus the function p subscript s of x dx. Now what you notice is that this is sort of opposite of what the consumer surplus is. We want to be able to calculate the producer surplus for the supply function of 3 plus 0.01 x squared at the sales level, x is equal to 10, and then we'll illustrate the drawing by showing the supply curve and identifying the producer surplus as an area. So the first thing is that we have our supply function, which is equal to 3 plus 0.01 x squared. And then we got to find the value of p of when x is equal to 10. So plug in the value of 10 into that function, we get 3 plus 0.01 times 10 squared is equal to 4. So now we know what p is, which is equal to 4. Now using the formula for the producer surplus, we have a lower limit of 0 go into an upper limit of 10. Using the formula for the surplus, for the producer surplus, p is 4. We're going to subtract the function, which is 3 plus 0.01 x squared dx. Combining like terms and distributing the sign, we get 1 minus 0.01 x squared, and then we're going to find the antiderivative of that, which is x minus 0.01 over 3 x cubed, and then apply the upper and lower limits. So we end up getting 10 minus 3.33, and we get approximately $6.67. Then over here you can see the graph. You have y is equal to 4, and then if you graph that function, then what's shaded is the producer surplus.